Sexual harassment in the workplace isn't always obvious. It manifests in various forms like casual jokes, uncomfortable stares, or inappropriate messages. That's why POSH training matters. The POSH Act clearly mandates every organization with 10 or more employees to conduct regular awareness and training programs for all employees. These training details are required to be included in POSH annual report as a part of POSH compliance. Generally, organizations include details like number of sessions, mention how many workshops, awareness programs, or online training modules were conducted for employees along with the dates when they were conducted. Type of programs. Specify whether they were general awareness, sensitization, or manager-specific training. Participation. Make a note of number of employees who attended. Training content. Briefly list key topics like POSH Act overview, types of sexual harassment and complaint mechanism, etc. So how does the POSH training benefit the employees? POSH training helps employees clearly understand what constitutes sexual harassment, their rights under the law, and how to report it confidently. Many instances of sexual harassment stem from a lack of awareness. Training reduces unintentional violations by educating employees on boundaries and appropriate conduct. With clarity on procedures and support systems, employees are more likely to report issues early, preventing escalation. Killer POSH training shows that the company takes employee well-being seriously, reinforcing trust in leadership and HR systems. While POSH training is mostly conducted in classrooms, more and more organizations are now shifting to online POSH training modules as it is easy to generate employee completion certificates, which can be used as an evidence of training for filing POSH annual reports. POSH online training is also scalable and accessible across locations, perfect for today's workforces as well as new joiners. When you train your employees on POSH, you don't just comply, you protect, you empower, and you foster a workplace where everyone feels safe.